Alright, Lego Fanatics, we're back. Like I said we would be. I'm gonna grab this. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna do this 8 times first. Okay, cool. So I need one of these. Okay, so I need one of these. One of these, one of the flats, and then I need this little ledge, and I need it pointed like that, and this one like that. Yep, just like that. And then there's going to be one of these. And then one of these, like that. And this, no, that's not right. This actually goes like that. And then this, that's gonna go right like this, okay? Then I build 8 of these and put them all around here, and we'll have this thing. All right, so let's build a couple more. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna have it like this. Then I'm gonna take one of these. This. And this. And this. This. And then this goes like that. Yep, and that's how that's going to go. So, got a few more to do here. Like this. That. And this one here. This one here. And then I'm going to put this on here. Like that. Okay. All right. Bump. Gonna do one more here, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I got it built. So this goes like this. And then I need another one of these. And another one of these. And you just keep putting them together like that. And there you go. And it just keeps going around and around, and you know, eventually you're making the back engines for the hyperdrive. Yep. So and then one of these. Okay, and then like that. And you're just gonna keep putting these together. Just like that. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to complete this, and as you can see, it's going to look like that on the inside, you know. So these will be evenly placed around this thing, like that. And then, you know, it'll make that engine look, and this is going to go on the back of this. So, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.